Dear students, welcome to NRK classes, e-learning for mathematics students. Myself, Captain Dr. N. Ramakrishna, Professor of Mathematics, Mrs. Seven College, Vishakhapatnam. Today, our topic is differential equations, part 4. This is one of the topics in Unit 1 of first year BSc Mathematics students of first semester. In this video lesson, I will explain to reduce the linear equation and solving that problem and Bernoulli's problem. So, I will explain these methods with examples. So, while you are waiting for, let us start our class now. Students will able to reduce the given differential equation into linear differential equation. Students will able to learn the method of solving linear differential equation. Student will able to solve Bernoulli's equation, that is, they are reducible to linear form. Before going to reduce the equation to linear form, just we can recollect what is a linear differential equation. The differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x is called linear differential equation. Here p of x and q of x are functions of x. The solution of this linear differential equation is y into e power integral p dx is equal to integral of e power integral p dx into q of x dx plus constant. The procedure to reduce the given equation into normal form. The step 1. Take the given differential equation and you can reduce it into linear form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to qx. The step 2. Find the value of e power integral p dx, and here we note that e power log f of x is equal to f of x. Step 3. The solution of this linear equation is y into e power integral p dx is equal to integral of e power p dx into q of x dx plus constant. The equation dy by dx plus py is equal to q into y power of n. This is one type of equation which can be reduced into linear form. This is nothing but Bernoulli's equation. The dy by dx plus py is equal to q into y power of n is called Bernoulli's differential equation. Here p and q are functions of x only. For example, dy by dx plus y by x is equal to y square x. This is one example. And x dy by dx plus y is equal to y square log x is another example for Bernoulli's equation. Now look at the procedure to reduce this equation into linear differential equation. The given differential equation is dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q into y power of n. Now you can divide this equation with y power of n. Then we have 1 by y power of n dy by dx plus p into 1 by y power of n minus 1 is equal to q. Put 1 by y power of n minus 1 is equal to v. Call it number 1. Then you can derivative with respect to x. then minus of n minus 1 by y power of n dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. So this is 1 by y power of n dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 minus n dv by dx. So now put this value in equation 1. Then equation 1 reduce it to 1 by 1 minus n dv by dx plus pv is equal to q. Therefore, dy by dx plus 1 minus n into pv is equal to 1 minus n into q. This is called linear differential equation. Now you can apply the linear differential equation procedure to solve this equation. Now we will solve the problems now. So dy by dx plus y by x is equal to y square x. This is clearly not a linear form. This is a Bernoulli's equation. You can reduce this equation by dividing with y square. So dy by dx plus y by x is equal to y square x. You can divide this equation into y square, then 1 by y square dy by dx plus 1 by xy is equal to x. Call it number 1. Now 1 by y is equal to z. This implies minus 1 by y square dy by dx is equal to dz by dx. You can send minus to right side, then by 1 by y square dy by dx is equal to minus dz by dx. Put this value in equation 1. Then we get dz by dx minus 1 by x z is equal to minus x. This is clearly linear equation in z. Then you can find out the solution. Here p is equal to minus 1 by x, q is equal to minus x. So e power minus px, this is e power minus 1 by x dx. This is e power minus log x is nothing but e power log 1 by x. So 1 by x. Because here we are applying e power log f of x is equal to f of x. What is the solution? Z into e power integral p dx is equal to integral of e power integral p dx into qx dx. So z into 1 by x is equal to integral minus x into 1 by x dx. X get cancelled. Integral minus 1, that is minus x plus c. Therefore, the solution is 1 by xy is equal to minus x plus c. This is the solution for the first problem. Now we'll go for second problem. Solve x dy by dx plus y is equal to y square log x. Again, this is a Bernoulli's equation. What we have to do? You can divide this total equation with y square. Then dy by dx plus y by x is equal to log x by x into y square. That means we have to also divide the equation with x. Therefore, 1 by y square dy by dx plus xy is equal to log x by x. You call it number 1. Put 1 by y is equal to z. The 1 by y square dy by dx is equal to minus dz by dx. Substitute these values in equation 1. Then we get minus dz by dx plus z by x is equal to log x by x. You can multiply throughout this equation with minus, then dz by dx minus z by x is equal to minus log x by x. This is the linear differential equation in z. Here p is equal to minus 1 by x, q is equal to minus log x by x, then integrating factor is e power minus 1 by x dx, that is equal to e power minus log x, that is e power log 1 by x is equal to 1 by x. The solution is z into e power integral p dx is equal to integral e power integral p dx into qx dx plus c. Therefore, z into 1 by x is equal to integral of 1 by x into minus log x by x dx. That is x into x, that is x square. Here put x is equal to e power t, then dx is equal to e power t dt, and t is equal to log x. Therefore, 1 by xy is equal to minus integral t by e power t, that is equal to minus integral t into e power minus t dt. That is nothing but after integration, you will get e power minus t into t plus 1 plus c. This is e power minus t is 1 by x, t is log x plus 1 plus c. Therefore, the solution is 1 by xy is equal to 1 by x into log x plus 1 plus c. Now, we'll go for another problem. Find the solution of the equation dy by dx plus y by x is equal to y square x into sin x. Given that y is equal to 1, when x is equal to pi for x greater than 0. The solution. The given differential equation is dy by dx plus y by x is equal to y square into x into sin x. Now you can divide this equation with y square. So y power minus 2 dy by dx plus is y power minus 1 by x is equal to x into sin x. Call it number 1. Now y power minus 1 is equal to u or z, but here you are taking v power minus 1 is equal to u. So that y power minus 2 dy by dx is equal to minus du by dx. Put these values in equation 1, then we get minus du by dx plus u by x is equal to x into sin x. Therefore, you multiply this equation with minus du by dx minus u by x is equal to minus x sin x. This is the linear equation in u. So e power integral p dx, e power minus 1 by x dx, that is e power minus log x. This is e power log 1 by x, that is equal to 1 by x. The solution is u into e power integral p dx is equal to integral of e power integral p dx into qx dx plus constant. So u into 1 by x is equal to minus integral 1 by x into sin x. X and x get cancelled, minus integral sin x, that is nothing but cos x plus constant. Therefore, u is equal to x cos x plus cx. What is u? U value is 1 by y. So xy cos x plus x c into xy is equal to 1. This is equation number 2. So now we have to put y value is equal to 1 and x is equal to pi in equation 2. Then we get pi into 1 into cos pi plus c into pi into 1 is equal to 1. What is c value? Pi plus 1 by pi. So put this value in equation 2. Then the solution is xy cos x plus xy into pi plus 1 by pi is equal to 1. You can divide it 1 by pi or multiply with pi. Pi xy cos x plus pi plus 1 xy is equal to pi. This is the general solution of this equation. Now you go for another problem. Dy by dx into x square y cube plus xy is equal to 1. So you can send this dy by dx to right side. Then what will happen? Dx by dy is equal to x square y cube plus xy. This implies now you can divide with x square. So x power minus 2 dx by dy minus x power minus 1 into y is equal to y cube. You call it one equation 1. Put x power minus 1 is equal to v. Then x power minus 2 dx by dy is equal to dv by dy. What it means? X power minus 2 dx by dy is equal to minus dv by dy. Put this value in equation 1. You will get minus dv by dy minus vy is equal to y cube. This implies dv by dy plus v into y is equal to minus y cube. This is linear equation in y, in v. So here p is equal to y, q is equal to minus y cube. The integrating factor is e power integral p dx, but here with respect to y. So e power integral y dy. So e power y square by 2. The solution is y into e power y square by 2 is equal to integral of minus y cube into e power y square by 2. Here put y square by 2 is equal to t, then y dy is equal to dt. Therefore, v into e power y square by 2 is equal to minus integral 2t into e power t dt, that is equal to minus 2t e power t plus integral 2 into e power t dt, that is equal to minus 2 t e power t plus 2 into e power t plus c. Now you can replace this t by y square by 2. Therefore minus y square e power y square by 2 plus 2 into e power y square by 2 plus c. Now you can throw divide with e power y square by 2. Therefore v is equal to minus y square by 2 plus 2 plus c into e power minus y square by 2. Therefore again you can divide this equation. What is y, what is v? V is x power minus 1. So x power minus 1 or 1 by x, that is y power 2 minus plus 2 plus c into e power minus y square by 2. This is the general solution of given differential equation. Now you go for another problem. Dy by dx is equal to x cube y cube minus xy. So here this is a Bernoulli's equation. You can divide with y cube. Then 1 by y cube dy by dx plus x by y square is equal to x cube. This is equation 1. Put 1 by y square is equal to z. So 1 by y cube dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 2 dz by dx. Put this value in equation 1, then we get dz by dx minus 2xz is equal to minus 2x cube. This is a linear equation. Now what is p value? Minus 2x. What is q value? Minus 2x cube. So integrating factor is e power p dx, e power minus 2 into integral x dx, that is e power minus x square. What is the solution? Solution is z into e power p dx is equal to integral e power p dx into qx dx plus c. So this is z e power minus x square minus 2 into integral x cube e power minus x square dx. Put x square is equal to t, x dx is equal to dt by 2. Then minus 2 into integral e power minus t into t dt by 2. So this is 2 get cancelled. So e power minus t into t plus 1 minus also get cancelled plus c. So now substitute t value here x square. So the solution is 1 by y square is equal to x square plus 1 plus c by e power minus x square. That is equal to x square plus 1 plus c into e power x square. This is our required solution. So, dear students, in this video lesson, I explained you about the equation which is not in linear form. We reduced it into linear form and we find out the solution of problems. Thank you. Dear students, thanks for watching my video lesson. Please give a like and give a comment on this and share this video lesson to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.